Welcome to a beautifully sunny blue sky Hexham at the start of the Kielder Forest Rally, where the crews are getting scrutineered and ready to tackle those iconic killer Kielder stages tomorrow, including the return of the Falstone stage, a stage won by people like Tony Pond in the past. That's pretty exciting. And something else that is exciting, and you know I like a good rally car story, is this Jaguar XJS behind me. I don't think we've ever seen one of these stage rallying here in the UK before, or anywhere for that matter. Ed Abbott and Ollie Marshall are taking on the Kielder Forest Rally in this Jaguar XJS for a very special reason. You see, it's the 50th anniversary in 2024 of the Jaguar XJS, the car which replaced the E-Type Jaguar. It had a whole lot less theatre. It was so much more refined, and really the world wasn't ready for the XJS. But I tell you what, they are cracking cars. And back in the day, when he was an apprentice, Ed Abbott started as an apprentice at Jaguar, and he rose through to be a senior development engineer, and he was road testing prototype Jaguars, including, yes, you guessed it, he road tested these cars all over Europe before they were released. So he's got a very special connection with the Jaguar XJS. Now, it was back in the 60s when Ed first started rallying. There are photos of him rallying in 𝗲𝗚𝗕𝗨𝗧𝗦 and all manner of things, and indeed he has competed in this XJS on hero events, for example the historic Monte Carlo event, but never a stage rally. He's had a lot of work to get it ready and passported for Motorsport UK regulations. I cannot wait to see this Jaguar XJS out on the stages tomorrow. It's one of my favourite classic cars. I've spent a lot of time with that V12 engine purring in front of me, and I can't wait to see it purring past me, or hopefully roaring, on tomorrow's stages on the Kielder Forest Rally. Fair play, Ed, 70 years old, and reliving a very special moment in your rally career with this XJS on stage. That's the sort of story that I love here in rallying.